glitch. Welcome to the bird quiz. So let's see, what bird is this? Pied Coron, olive whistler, eastern spinebill. Oh, you no, you no, you no, you yeah. Chestnut crowned babbler. This no. Yes. Straighted paddle. Okay. I'm gonna sing like that. Straighted paddle. No. Golden whistler. Yeah, no. Yes. Laughter. Island thrasher. Brown songlark. Wood swallow. Satan boa bird. Western wattlebird. What wattles? With wattles. Grey fronted honeyeater. Rock. Australian wood duck. Red-backed kingfisher. Pied oyster catcher. Sacred kingfisher. Rogush Pardalote. No. Yes.
You still can. You think I believe that? You just want them for yourself. You want profit from me, Doctor. But don't judge me by your standards. Don't just stand there, Rory. Hey, he wants to see you. Try to fuck.
White brown scrub wren. White throated. Oh, let's do another quiz. Guess.
Alright, don't shout, useless machines.
Guess the picture. Blackbird. What is robin? You see yellow robin? Osprey. Finch grioing. This bird is a gullible Enderman bird. It is the most obvious bird of them all. Am I right? It's a gullible Enderman bird. This is always the next tweet. Tweet and die. Okay, gullible bird. Parrot. Yeah, I'm a plum-headed finch. That's a 20. Kingfishy. Eastern. Well, I'm gonna have to go, so yeah, peace out and bye! Bye!